Tree that fell down last night. It's been, 24 hours since that hailstorm. And it fell down. I mean, this thing is giant. It's been dead for 2 to 3 years. I mean, you can tell just from how the bark comes off like that. That's not a first-year tree, It was like that whenever we moved in. The landlord told us that they were going to take care of it. And they never did. And look, it even hit the power lines. You can see where they did a little jump rope over each other and got tangled up. Now that one is pretty worrying. Pretty worrisome. Grammar. Lovely. But this is the one that has me terrified. I mean, my wife is pregnant, and that window right there is mine. If this tree falls, that's where it's gonna fall, is right into our bedroom. And this one's been dead for longer than that one. That one actually made a few leaves last year. This one didn't even make leaves last year. So I'm absolutely scared shitless over this tree. I don't know what to do. Hopefully somebody has a little bit of something that they can do to help me, or can recommend a good lawyer after this hailstorm. I mean, there's our little greenhouse. It's destroyed too. I mean, everything, every panel on it basically is destroyed. All the plastic on the other side, everything.